Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find Instagram users near me. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you are logged in into your Instagram account, head over to the search section and here search for the place you are currently in. Suppose my one is New York City. So in here you can see there are some places that have been tagged in New York City. So let's go to Tourishin. This is the place that have been tagged by some people. So if you go to recents, you can see there are some people that have been tagged, that has tagged this place in their posts. So head over anyone. So you can see in this one, a person tagged this place 12 hours ago. And in this one, someone tagged this place 3 days ago. So from the time limit, you can know that this person was there in this place or in this place that time being, for that time being. So yeah, this is how you can find some people near you and you can just give them follow request or whatever you want to do. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.